Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today we are going to be introducing ourselves to a brand new series in this channel, which is physics. So it's been quite a while, and I've foreshadowed quite a long time that we will be going over physics. Now, this physics series will be comprised of a lot of topics, and therefore I like to give an introductory video of what we'll be going over in this series. Now, first of all, in the video, A Map of Physics on YouTube, it is explained that physics can be comprised of three different topics: classical physics, relativity, and quantum physics. Quantum physics and relativity came in way later, and they have a big history of their own, which I will be showing in our sequel to this series, which will be summed up as modern physics, because there's a lot of history in it, and I would like to go over them sort of one by one because it would be more interesting. As for classical physics, it's more of the fundamentals of what we know as physics and what we can interact with more. So in this series, we'll be going over primarily classical physics. And I'll be making another playlist for all physics videos later. Classical physics will be comprised of kinematics, dynamics. We'll go over optics later, and we'll go over basic laws from Newton, relative motion, some basic concepts about mass and weight, work and energy, etc., etc., etc. There's a lot coming up, so stay tuned for the future, I don't know, 40 videos or more. So yeah, that's my introductory video to physics. So hope to see you there. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.